This video tutorial I will explain Spring Boot FreeMarker tutorial with example. FreeMarker is a Java-based template engine. Using that, we can generate text outputs like HTML web pages and emails. And FreeMarker view template files we have to place inside templates folder inside resources folder. And extension of FreeMarker view template file should be .ftlh in case of Spring Boot 2.2. And CSS and JavaScript files we have to place inside static folder of resources folder. Here you can see Spring Boot FreeMarker demo project, and inside templates folder there are two FreeMarker view templates files are there, hello.ftlh and index.ftlh. And inside static folder CSS file and JavaScript files are there inside CSS folder and JS folder. And in application.properties file we have mentioned where the template files are there, and also we have mentioned extension of the FreeMarker template file .ftlh. Here I have defined the class hello world controller, and in this class I have applied controller annotation. So this is web controller, and it has two methods, index and hello. I will start the application, then I will explain how this is working. Now I am going to start this Spring Boot application in debug mode. Now I am going to send request to this URL, and request reached here, and it returns view name as index, and along with this index this extension will be added, and index.ftlh file will be processed by Spring Boot application, and it will display this index page. Here you can see it is displaying the index page. It has one text box and submit button. You can see the text box and submit button. And when you enter some text in the text box and click on submit, the request will go to /hello URL. So I am typing Peter and click on submit, and request reached here. And in model object I am adding the attribute. Attribute name as name, and value is Peter, which we have typed in the text box. And it returns view name as hello. So hello.ftlh file will be processed by Spring Boot application, and it display hello, then name will be Peter. And here we got the output, hello Peter. And if you see, it is using the CSS file, which is main.css. Here we have mentioned the color of the title should be red, so that here you are seeing red color. And it is also using JS file. The JS file is printing hello world in the console. We will check that. More tools, click on developer tools, and here you can see the console, and console it is displaying hello world. Click on this main.js, and here you can see the console log. hello world. That is what it is displaying here. Here you can see the model object. Using model object, we can share data between the handler and the view template. In this example, in model object, we have added attribute name as name and value as Peter. The Peter value is typed in the text box, and that is shared in this view template and displayed like hello Peter. Now again I am sending request to index page, and this time I am not going to enter any value in the text box. Click on submit and request reached here. And if you check, the value of name is world, because if you are not setting any value in the text box, default value should be world, like that we have set. And here you can see the output. We got hello world. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.